In this video, we're going to find a transpose of a matrix. And what a transpose of a matrix is essentially a original matrix flipped along its main diagonal. Here we have a matrix A that is a 3 by 3 square matrix. So matrix A transposed, denoted as AT, is going to look like this. It will have the first column of the original matrix as the first row of the transposed matrix. So the first row is going to be 0, 3, and 4. The second row is going to be the second column of the original matrix and is going to have 7, 6, and 1. Lastly, the third column of the original matrix is going to become the third row of the transposed matrix and is going to be 9, 5, and 8. Now let's take a look at some other matrices and see how we can find their transposes. First, we have matrix B, which is a vector matrix, and we can find the transpose of a vector matrix essentially by flipping its only column to be its only row. So matrix BT, or B transposed, is going to have 3, 7, 4, and 5 as a single row. Now let's move on to matrix C, and this is another 3 by 3 square matrix. And if we flip it over to get CT, we're going to have the first column as the first row, 2, 8, 4, and then the second column as the second row, 1, 5, and 6, and lastly the third column as the third row, 9, 3, and 0. Matrices and their transposes have several properties which should be examined. First of all, the transpose of a transpose is the original matrix. And second of all, in case of symmetric matrices, the transpose is going to be equal to the original matrix. Now that you know how to find a transpose, I'll give you the third matrix M as homework. Try to find its transpose, and if you have any questions, ask us in the comments section below. And if you have any other topics you wish us to cover, let us know as well. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for more math topics, and don't forget to subscribe.